Making a few more stops in Springfield, Illinois, we are at Knights Action Park in Splash Kingdom. Knights Action Park opened in 1930 as a golf driving range by George Knight Sr. It's evolved into a diverse family fun park with water slides, wave pool, go-karts, pedal boats, bumper boats, miniature golf courses, batting cages, and more. Just east of Knights Action Park is the Route 66 Drive-In. The Green Meadows Drive-In opened in 1978 and lasted just 4 years. Restored in 2002 as the Route 66 Drive-In, it now shows double features on weekends in April and May, then nightly features from Memorial Day weekend to Labor Day, and then on weekends through October.